You need to watch this if you struggle with finding peace in a busy world. Have you ever wondered how ancient wisdom can still benefit us today? Can looking back at the past make us healthier and happier? Imagine if these old teachings could improve your life right now. Together, let's explore Buddhist teachings, not just as old stories but as practical keys that unlock new ways to feel good and stay healthy in our busy lives. This journey isn't just about learning, it's about real change, starting from within and affecting everything we do. As we dive into each principle, stay open-minded. These teachings have stood the test of time and remain incredibly useful. They offer strategies to manage stress, improve health, build better relationships, and find more joy in each day. Each of these rules holds valuable lessons for living a fulfilling life, like pieces of a puzzle that, when put together, reveal the big picture of true wellness and happiness. We encourage you to watch the whole video, as it's packed with insights that can positively impact your life. Each rule is a crucial part of this larger picture. If you find this content helpful, please show your support by clicking the like button and subscribing to our channel, LifeSync Studio. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Ready to start? This is part 1 in our series on learning how to live a better life. We guarantee this journey will be engaging and full of practical advice for your everyday life. Rule 1: Meditation and Mind-Body Harmony. Let's dive into meditation and how it promotes harmony between the mind and body. Think of meditation as a calm space just for you, where you can quiet your thoughts and find inner peace. It's more than sitting still, it's an exploration of your mind, helping you relax and feel well. Meditation bridges the gap between our busy minds and active bodies, improving coordination between the two. By meditating, we give ourselves time to slow down and regain control, like hitting the pause button on a hectic day. Starting is simple. Find a quiet place, sit comfortably, and focus on your breathing. Although it sounds easy, it's a powerful way to calm the mind and stay present. Buddha, an ancient teacher, spoke a lot about meditation. He described it as a path to greater self-awareness and understanding of the world. Meditation lets us observe our thoughts and emotions without getting tangled up in them, like watching clouds drift by. One of the great benefits of meditation is how it positively affects our physical health. People all over the world use meditation to reduce stress, manage pain, and improve sleep. Studies have shown that regular meditation can reduce stress, improve sleep, and strengthen the immune system. Science and ancient wisdom align here, showing that meditation is more than just a mental practice, it benefits our whole being. You can meditate in different ways, not just sitting still. Walking in a park or doing yoga can also be a form of meditation, helping you stay connected to your body and surroundings. Group meditation can also be impactful, fostering a shared sense of calm and connection. Meditation helps our mind, body, and emotions work together in harmony. It's not about instant mastery. Like any skill, it takes practice. Don't be discouraged if your mind wanders. The key is to keep going and be kind to yourself. Over time, you'll notice how meditation can increase your calmness, focus, and connection with yourself. So why not give it a try? Bring harmony to your mind and body through daily meditation. How will you start integrating meditation into your life? Let us know in the comments. If you're ready to dive deeper into the power of positive thinking, make sure to subscribe and join us for part 2 of this series. Stay tuned for more rules for a better life.